Hey everybody, it's me, Red Duolingo. Hey, do you want to come inside to my clubhouse? Well, alright, let's go. Haha, I almost forgot. To make the clubhouse appear, we get to say the magic words. The magic words are, Miska, Muzka, Red Duolingo. Say it with me, Miska, Muzka, Red Duolingo.
REDDUOLINGO. It's the Red Duolingo's Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. It's the Red Duolingo's Clubhouse. Roll call: Farron, Porta Duolingo, Kika Chicken, Cristobal, Kika Marco, Red Duolingo, that's me. It's the Red Duolingo's Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. REDDUOLINGO.
It's the Red Duolingo's Clubhouse. What's inside?
Hi, Red Duolingo, and I just found something so amazing. You're not going to believe it. Do you want to come see it? You do? Great. Come on inside. I mean, what till you see this? It's the coolest thing. I wonder what's inside. What should we do?
Open it.
Open it. Of course. Red Duolingo, let's open the door and see what's inside. Here's the mail. It never fails. It makes me want to wag my tail. When it comes I want to wail. Mail.
I wonder what's inside there. Fluffsies.
Wow, this merge party is amazing.
Hot dog. Hot dog. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Now we got cheers. It's time for cheers. Hot dog, the problem solved. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. It's a brand new day. What you waiting for? Get up, stretch out, stomp on the floor. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. We're slipping the scene, we're full of beans. So long for now from Duolingo.
That's me,
and the Red Duolingo's Clubhouse.
See you soon guys, haha.
Then he ate some alphabet
Oh,
soup
yes.
and what happened was bizarre.
Oh yes.
He's got a lot to say, now he speaks.
Wow.
Yeah, he speaks and speaks and speaks and speaks and speaks. He's not always right, but still, he's got a voice. He's ready to shout. Sometimes wrong but seldom in doubt. Hear him speak. Don't worry
Bye
guys,
bye.
the school is out, and it's here.
Bye bye, see you next time. Duolingo Chupo. This is Duolingo channel.